Hi everyone, it's Raquel of Raquel's Caribbean Cuisine. Today I am going to be making brown stewed fish. This is really a straightforward dish that can be made in several different ways and it varies from one cook to another. This is my version, really simple and flavorful. These fish are coming straight from the market, really nice and fresh. They are going to be washed, scaled and cleaned. I am going to be using my hands to season the fish to make sure they are well coated. I will be using salt, all-purpose seasoning, and some black pepper. Place your pot over high heat. I'm going to be using about half cup of cooking oil and allow it to get extremely hot. To that, I will be adding some garlic, giving the fish some roasted garlicky flavor. Add the fish one at a time. Be really careful because the oil is extremely hot. Give each side about 2 to 3 minutes before turning, making sure they are nice and golden brown. After they are done frying, take them from the oil. I will be removing the excessive oil, leaving back about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I have prepared my first seasoning. I will be using chopped tomatoes, onions, garlic, hot pepper, scallion and thyme, and some okra and carrots. After removing the excessive oil, place the fish back in the pot. I will be adding some ketchup, then the fresh seasoning, allowing it to saute for about a minute, giving the fish all of that flavor. Now I will be adding about half cup of water. Cover it and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes under medium heat. After 5 minutes, check to make sure all the seasoning and veggies are evenly distributed and covered in sauce. You could also add some more water if you need more sauce. Taste and add more salt if needed. Cover and allow to simmer for another 2 minutes. And there you have it, ready to be served. Brown stewed fish with okra, a beautiful dish, full of flavor. Recipe will be in the description box, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, then press the bell icon for new video updates.